Imagine breaking free from the conventional 9-to-5 grind and embracing a life of limitless possibilities at the age of 30. Whether you dream of traveling the world, pursuing your passions, or simply enjoying more time with loved ones, we've got you covered with a detailed roadmap to achieve your goals. From assessing your finances and setting clear objectives to making savvy investments and adopting a healthy financial mindset, we'll equip you with the knowledge and strategies to turn your dreams into reality. Get ready to embark on a path of empowerment, where financial freedom becomes your reality and retirement is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible and achievable milestone. Here are steps to get financial independence and retire at 30. Step 1. Assess current financial situation. Assessing your current financial situation is the crucial first step towards achieving early retirement at 30. It involves taking a close look at your income, expenses, assets, and debts to gain a clear understanding of where you stand financially. Start by analyzing your monthly income, including salary, bonuses, and any other sources of earnings, and compare it to your monthly expenses. Creating a detailed budget will help you identify areas where you can cut costs and increase your savings. Next, evaluate your assets, such as savings accounts, investments, and retirement funds, and determine their growth potential over time. Simultaneously, address any outstanding debts, like student loans or credit card balances, and formulate a plan to pay them off efficiently. By meticulously examining your financial landscape, you can uncover potential areas of improvement, allocate resources strategically, and set realistic financial goals that align with your retirement aspirations. This comprehensive assessment lays the foundation for a successful retirement plan and enables you to make informed decisions to maximize your savings and investments as you embark on this transformative journey to achieve financial independence and retire at 30. Step 2. Set specific financial goals. Setting specific financial goals is a critical step in your journey to retire at 30, as it provides a clear roadmap for achieving early retirement. Start by determining your desired retirement age and the lifestyle you envision for yourself at that time. Calculate the amount of money you'll need to sustain that lifestyle and consider factors such as inflation and healthcare costs. Break down this long-term goal into smaller, achievable milestones, and set realistic targets for each year leading up to age 30. Whether it's saving a certain percentage of your income, reaching a specific investment portfolio value, or paying off outstanding debts, these specific financial objectives will keep you focused and motivated. Additionally, by setting tangible benchmarks, you can regularly track your progress and make adjustments to your financial plan as needed. Remember to review and update your goals periodically, considering life changes, career advancements, or shifts in your risk tolerance. Having well-defined and measurable financial goals will not only enhance your financial discipline but also provide the confidence and direction necessary to attain the dream of early retirement at 30. Step 3. Create multiple streams of income. Creating multiple streams of income is a key strategy to achieve early retirement at 30 and attain financial independence. Diversifying your income sources reduces reliance on a single job and provides stability in volatile economic times. Explore various opportunities, such as starting a side business, freelancing, investing in real estate, or generating passive income through dividends, royalties, or digital products. By leveraging your skills and interests, you can unlock additional revenue streams that supplement your primary income. As these secondary income sources grow over time, they contribute significantly to your savings and investment goals, accelerating your path to retirement. While building multiple streams of income requires dedication and effort, the rewards are immense, granting you the flexibility to retire early and embark on a fulfilling life journey beyond the constraints of traditional employment. Step 4. Create a robust savings plan. Creating a robust savings plan is a fundamental pillar in achieving early retirement at 30. It starts with meticulously analyzing your income and expenses, identifying areas where you can cut costs, and diligently setting aside a significant portion of your earnings for savings and investments. Embrace a disciplined approach to saving, automating contributions to retirement accounts and separate high-yield savings or investment vehicles. As your income grows, strive to increase your savings rate and funnel windfalls or bonuses directly into your retirement fund. Simultaneously, be mindful of financial emergencies. ensuring you have an adequate emergency fund to cover unforeseen expenses without derailing your long-term savings goals. Regularly review and reassess your savings plan, adjusting it as necessary based on life changes and financial milestones. By adhering to a robust savings plan, you lay the groundwork for financial security, empowering yourself to achieve the dream of early retirement and enjoy the benefits of financial freedom at 30 and beyond. Step 5. Minimize debt and liabilities. Minimizing debt and liabilities is a critical step in the pursuit of early retirement at 30, as it fosters financial stability and accelerates the path to financial independence. Begin by evaluating all outstanding debts, including student loans, credit card balances, and any other liabilities, and create a strategic debt repayment plan. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, while making consistent and disciplined payments on all others. Simultaneously, adopt a frugal lifestyle, cutting unnecessary expenses, and redirecting those funds towards debt reduction. Avoid incurring new debts and use cash or savings for major purchases whenever possible. Additionally, consider refinancing options or negotiating better interest rates to optimize debt management. By proactively tackling debt and liabilities, you free up more disposable income, allowing you to allocate a larger portion of your earnings towards savings and investments, thus bringing you closer to your early retirement goal and laying the foundation for a financially secure future. Step 6. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a fundamental aspect of achieving early retirement at 30, as it allows your money to work for you and grow exponentially over time. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and other financial instruments. Assess your risk tolerance and time horizon to create a well-balanced investment portfolio that aligns with your retirement goals. Diversify your investments to spread risk and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to gain personalized advice and tailor your investment strategy to your specific needs. Continuously monitor and adjust your portfolio as market conditions and life circumstances change, staying focused on long-term goals rather than short-term market fluctuations. Additionally, harness the power of compound interest by reinvesting dividends and capital gains to maximize returns over the years. By investing wisely and consistently, you can build substantial wealth, providing you with the financial resources to retire comfortably at 30 and savor a life of financial independence. In conclusion, by assessing your current financial situation, setting specific goals, creating multiple income streams, and adopting a robust savings plan, you lay a solid foundation for achieving your dreams. Simultaneously, minimizing debt and making wise investments ensure your money works for you, growing steadily over time. With dedication, discipline, and a long-term vision, you can break free from the conventional work-life paradigm and embrace a life of unlimited possibilities at 30 and beyond. Remember that this path requires persistence and adjustments, but the rewards of living life on your terms and pursuing your passions make it all worthwhile. So, take the first step today, and let this guide serve as your compass, leading you towards the exhilarating destination of early retirement and a future full of financial freedom and fulfillment.